Petita, and welcome to your spirit-filled workout. Are you ready to change your tempo? I am. If you're ready, let's get started. Ready? We're going to march it out, and we're going to do a brief warm-up. In 4, 3, 2, 1, step touch. Hold it here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double step. That's it. Double step again. Back to singles. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You're going to give me that double step. Again. Now march it out here. 8. What we're going to do here is you're going to give me a heel, toe, and 1 jack. You're going to give me 8 reps of these. Are you ready? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel, toe, 1 jack. 2 jacks. That's it. 4 more. Keep going. 2,